Hello guys, good day. Ito na naman ang ating recipe of the day. Natin ngayon ang chicken madras with vegetables. So, lutuin lang natin ng mabuti ang ating chicken. So, ang ginawa ko is chicken breast and chicken thigh. So, until crispy and mag-brown yung chicken natin. And after yan, i-separate natin yung chicken. Then, ilagay natin yung mga vegetables or yung mga ingredients. So, onion, garlic, broccoli, cauliflower, and sweet corn. And after nyan, yung third step natin, ilagay na natin yung madras sauce. Tapos, haluin lang natin siya ng maayos and hintayin natin na medyo soft once alam nyo na medyo luto na ang ating vegetables, yan guys, yan yung recipe na included dun sa battle natin. Pero, hindi ko ininiba ko, my own version ako kasi parang chicken curry madras siya yan. Pero sa akin is chicken madras with vegetables. So, iniba ko yung version ko. So, after guys, ilagay na natin yung fried chicken natin dun sa madras sauce with vegetables. And then, yun na yung result. So, kailangan natin parang i-coated natin yung madras sauce dun sa chicken. And once alam nyo na medyo totally coated na siya or mixed na siya, pwede nyo na siya i-serve. So, simple lang ang paggawa ng chicken madras with vegetables natin yun guys. So, thank you so much for watching and please like, comment, share, and suggestions are welcome. Comment below for any inquiries. Thank you. Bye-bye. And please don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you so much.